I probably wouldn't go upstairs in these just because it is wood.
Wood, yeah. I noticed right there. I'm like, oh.
You gonna go up there? Be careful.
How do we take the camera? We don't go up there. Ooh.
You guys wanna go?
Right. It's creaking.
She's like half of my weight, so if she can't go. Oh, you guys are good. You got anybody going up?
Careful where you step, Ray.
Right, be careful. Yeah.
Ray, take the camera. Please be careful. It's stinky up here, guys. Get practice.
It's a creaky floor right here. It's bending. Up the creepy stairs. Some of this wood is rotted out too. Bathroom.
Oh look, there's even a little, what is it called, crawl space?
Just a crawl space, yeah. Not bad, not bad. At one point it was nice. Well, they go back pretty far, huh? Oh yeah, there's no wall, so I can come out in a whole nother building. Forgot about that. Look, somebody put... Oh yeah, those stairs are no good. Somebody covered it. Screwed it. This is a whole nother house. Water heater, probably. Oh, the floor's bending. You can feel it. I just went to a different house too.
Yeah?
Yeah, up there. The stairs are all...
Sketchy? Alright. Yeah. Was that like a little bathroom? Yeah. Downstairs bath. Luxurious. And so I wasn't expecting this. I didn't think there was going to be a dead end in here. Got those apartments. Yeah. 360 view. Alright guys, so probably about halfway back to our vehicles, and we're gonna, yeah, it's warm. It's not as warm as the first time that we came out here, but we're gonna go over here to the theater, try for the 4th time to get into this place. We won't break in, but if it's open, we're gonna take it as an open invitation to help ourselves, and that's it right there. Alright guys, so last time we were here, this door was not broken off. These were not busted out, and they still use this theater, so it's kind of, that's a shame. Whoa, did almost slip. Yeah, let's Let's check it out. Yeah, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, they still use this. Oh, they do. Oh, look it. That's why we.
Be alone.
That's why we could never get in, because they got it bolted. This is probably, I don't know, concession or something. That was not in here. The one time we got in. Yes, finally. You got that bright light going? Yeah, we definitely got it. In there too. Huh? Yeah. This sucks. Why would people do that?
Hold on, wait.
Let's see. I'm pretty excited we actually got in here. Just be careful that nobody's squatting in here. Alright. Well, that's the theater, guys. Finally. 4th time's the charm. Should have came in here the first time. And the door was actually open. There's nothing. Just empty rooms. Last year.
There's the room right there.
Are you guys ready to get out of here?
I'm ready to go up.
Yeah. I don't think they'll be using this anymore, unfortunately. I'm not sure, but I'll have to go back and review and see if we just peeked in one time the door was open just to see, because we were in a hurry that day. There's a soda machine that we were able to see. Darn it, they're out. Darn it.
No change either?
No, it took my $1 as a matter of fact. And they are? Yeah. Alright, let's go see what they're up to. Yeah, it's probably like a little concession stand or something. Oh yeah? Yeah, let's just go see. In here. As well. What is it, projection? Yeah? No more projector.
I don't know.
Oh, you can't even see anything. There you go. Yeah, you can't see much. It smells old up here.
Tell me, what do you see?
See a bunch of kids over here on the base. That's him. I thought it was those other guys for a minute.
Hey, get out of there.
Our beard's all messed up from the face mask, but the first time we were here, we didn't go in. We thought we heard an animal or something in this building, so we didn't go all the way in. Just stood at the door. So we're gonna go in this time and check it out. Come with us.
Look at Derek can make massive snake racks in here.
Yeah?
Oh no, because they're towering.
Oh yeah, that would be cool. What do you think this was?
I know there's a lot of paperwork in here, maybe like filing things.
Or like a camel.
Find a lot of information in here.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Owner's manual.
That's a refrigerator manual.
No, I'm not gonna film that.
A lot of info.
Yeah. Look at that phone book. See what the date is on that phone book. Oh, does it?
It says March 2002.
It's like their tax forms or something.
What's the date?
It would be, should be on the front. Like a period from, oh yeah, area code 2007-8. Now somebody probably brought that out here. Yeah, if you want. Yeah, there you go, that's a bright one. Yeah. Lee's Donuts.
Chinese food, hamburgers, breakfast.
We should see if they're still open and take this menu and hold them to the prices. No kidding? Oh yeah. That's crazy. You know, it would have been funny if they were nice if they put a year, because today so happens to be Memorial Day 2020. Yeah. Rachel, the whole base, the overall experience, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give it?
On a scale of 1 to 10?
Yes.
I'm gonna say like 8.5, 9-ish.
Cool. Pretty high numbers.
Well, I enjoy stuff.
Yeah, so do I.
Like,
All right, let's get up there. On a scale of 1 to 10, what is it?
1 to 10, me being an explorer, I love adventure. This is a 10. I mean, what do you not like
Exactly.
about this place? It's abandoned, hundreds of buildings.
The paradise for urban exploring, right?
Yeah, the history behind it, you know, there's just a lot of good things.
Exactly. Let's see. Alexis, scale 1 to 10, and why?
I'll give it a 9.
9?
9.
So they're all hitting pretty high today.
I'm
Why?
only giving it a 9 because I wanted the hospital to be scary than it was.
Yeah, exactly. There's always room for improvement, right?
Yeah.
Tell ya. On a scale of 1 to 10, and why? The overall experience, not just the hospital.
Overall.
It's okay. That's what
It
it.
was really fun. So about a 9 too.
Cool.
All
So
the-
all
9.2.
high numbers.
Yeah, that's fun.
All right, cool. Well, that's gonna do it, guys. Go ahead and like the video. If you didn't like it anyways. Something else, I need you guys to subscribe. It only takes 2 seconds and it's free. Hit subscribe, hit the bell button so you guys don't miss out on anything. And thanks for watching. Bye.